line up, single file.
Come back, stay in line, or you might get hurt or lost. Earthquake drill. Shh, we need to listen in case there's another emergency. Oh, look, my mom!
Wait, we have to stay with our class during an earthquake drill.
If you don't take earthquakes seriously, you can get injured or killed. Earthquakes can happen anytime, anywhere, and in any type of weather. When it comes to earthquakes, you don't want to mess around.